Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Tool Use. Empowering your agents with external tools. Imagine you have a super smart personal assistant. This assistant isn't just good at talking. They can actually do things for you, like look up information or set reminders. In the world of AI, we call this kind of smart program an AI agent. It's more than just a chatbot. It's designed to understand your goals and work towards achieving them, like a digital helper with a purpose. At the core of many AI agents is something called a large language model, LLM, like a super intelligent brain that has read almost every book and article ever written. But even this amazing brain has limits. It knows a lot about the past, up to its last training date, but it can't browse the live internet, do complex math perfectly every time, or tell you today's weather. It's like a brilliant student who only knows what's in their textbooks, not what's happening right now. This is where external tools come in. Think of these tools as special gadgets or apps you give to your super smart assistant. Just like you might give a human assistant a phone, a calculator, or a map, we can give our AI agents access to digital tools. These tools allow the AI to perform actions it can't do with its brain alone, like performing a precise calculation, searching the live web, or even sending an email. Why are these tools so important? They bridge the gap between what an AI knows from its training and what it can do in the real world. Without tools, an AI might say, "The weather today is likely sunny," but with a weather tool, it can say, "The weather in London is currently 15 degrees Celsius and partly cloudy." It turns a guess into a factual, real-time action. For developers, this means we can build AI applications that are not just conversational, but genuinely functional and accurate. So, how does an AI agent decide to use a tool? It's like a detective solving a mystery. When you give it a task, it first thinks, based on how we, the developers, programmed it. Do I need a tool for this? If so, which one? Then it acts by using the chosen tool, observes the tool's result, and then refines its plan or answers your question. This plan, act, observe loop is what allows agents to intelligently interact with external systems and solve complex problems. Let's look at some examples of tools we can give our agents. 1. A** calculator tool. For precise math, what's 1234 * 5678? Single quote. 2. A** web search tool. To get up to the minute information. What's the capital of Greenland? And what are today's top headlines? Single quote. 3. API call tools. These are like special connections to other software, allowing the agent to do things like check stock prices, get flight info, or even control smart home devices. These tools transform a simple chatbot into a powerful problem solver. For you, as a budding developer, understanding AI tool use is a game changer. You're not just creating a program that talks. You're building a sophisticated assistant that can perform. This means you can design AI agents that automate complex tasks, provide highly accurate, real-time answers, and integrate with virtually any existing software or service. You become the architect of truly capable AI systems, extending their abilities far beyond basic language generation. The ability to empower AI agents with external tools opens up an incredible world of possibilities. Imagine agents that manage your entire schedule by interacting with your calendar, book your travel by accessing airline websites, analyze financial data from live feeds, or even help operate industrial machinery. As developers, you are now equipped to build these next-generation AI applications that can interact with and influence the real world, turning ideas into actions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.